be our channel's RC until we get better. So first you get
The charger.
batteries. Then the second stop is the translator.
Oh, it's very nice. The regular little tracks one, it's a little different than the other ones. It says the tracks. The steering trim, and then we have the black. Unlike, and here's the tracks, and here's this one feels a little lighter in the hand. Other than that, they look exactly the same.
And here's the charger, just cigarette charger, and
Now you might need to get one of the cubes. Now it does not take the same battery as a regular.
we'll put a link in the description what you can buy to.
Like if this is a regular Traxxas, regular one, not with track, and this doesn't even.
We'll tell you what to buy to plug this into, so you can plug it into a wall if you don't know.
So then here's the truck itself. And then here's all the owner manuals, how to. They didn't give any extra parts. That's unusual.
I think we need a knife.
Yeah. I'm back.
Now he is back.
Whoa, there were some weird body clips.
Yeah, they have tiny
Body clip. Just to let you know, like, this is the 1/18 scale, so it's a lot smaller. Here's the 1/10 scale that's been on our channel. And then we'll compare sizes. Probably the size of the chassis here.
You should put the body on the.
Here, I'll just set it up.
So we're gonna take off the body clips after he gets See, this is the 116.
That 1/18.
Yeah, 118 compared to
And then,
110.
let's see what's inside here. These are some small clear.
And they come with itty bitty.
You probably
tiny-
can't even see them from there. And then we got the orange one. Oh, look at the ESC. I don't even know where the motor is.
Good shot.
Like they're
They have-
oil filled.
Yeah, they have the-
And then here's the battery right here.
the batteries right
And this is the dope setup right here.
here. Yeah, it's kind of like the X-Max where you just flip up and you finish the battery.
And then here's the. First I thought it was a LiPo, but let's see if she's ready to run.
Yeah,
It says it's RTR, so.
Also,
There's the motor, and it says caution. Just to let you know. Just to beware, so, let's go out for a day or
the
two.
tires are really soft.
So they were pretty good trailing, probably. We never really tested the traction because we just got this like a day ago for you guys. This is a weird setup. And then we'll just do like a little speed comparison. This is a little trash. Maybe we should post a video on how to focus the game.
Yeah.
But there we go.
You might have it.
We'll do that one. These are some nice Traxxas batteries. On that, they didn't come with
I think
just the rainbow. And then you have the regular standard Mini. And it's 4-wheel drive. So it's like, they're all the same size. Just so you know, these are the same one. So like if you get why is it all blue? You can't see where's the blue. And then let's put the chassis on. Which is front, which is back. Who knows? Wait.
That's the one.
So forward. Okay. This thing is blue.
I got the back. We have not charged the battery yet, but it comes on to charge the battery in. You can get the first one. They're so small. Okay. So now I'm going to show you a close-up of what
The final
becomes really
small.
shiny. Has a lot of tire around to go.
And then it has this nice little sound.
Nice steering. Plenty of power.